Hey YouTube, it's Christine, and I just wanted to come on here with a really quick video reminder of a stitch along coming up January 1st, 2025, hosted by myself and my friend Lisa at the Felt Fairy on Instagram. Today is December 26th, 2024, so the stitch along is just right around the corner. But if you're not ready to start on January 1st, you can join in anytime. It's going to be kind of a year-long stitch along. So the whole premise is to combine two hobbies, cross-stitching and felt kits, felt applique. So what you do is you choose a Mill Hill kit that has either a fall or a Halloween theme, and you choose a felt kit that has either a Christmas or a winter theme. And you start them both on January 1st, 2025. And the goal is to get the cross stitch done by October 1st, 2025, and to get your Christmas and winter themed kit done by December 1st of 2025. So these are the two that I have chosen, and Lisa has chosen the same, but feel free to choose any project you want. So this is your opportunity if you're a cross stitcher that wants to try felt applique, or if you're a felt applique person, I guess that's what you're called, maybe you wanted to try cross stitching. So this is your opportunity to join along and combine two really fun hobbies. Make sure you go over and follow Lisa over on Instagram if you haven't already done so, because she is much better about updating the stitch along than I am. And she has some very helpful tips and tricks for beginners on her page. So if you want to go and follow that, that would be great, because as you can see, I'm updating this. I wanted to put this video up about a month ago to give everybody a chance to get their orders placed. And like I said, if you don't have anything ready to start on the 1st, please feel free to join in anytime during the year. And I have hopefully put the hashtag along the bottom here of the screen so that you can go ahead and tag your projects, or tag either Lisa or I or both of us, so that we can cheer you along. And I think it's going to be fun. I'm super excited to start this kit. This is a hefty kit. Yours does not have to be this hefty. You can try a stocking, some ornament kits. There's some great beginner projects out there. This one is quite hefty. I'm so excited to get started on it. And Mill Hills are just great for getting a start if you've never tried cross-stitching before, because they are done on the perforated paper instead of fabric, and the kits come with everything you need to complete them. So perfect for beginners. And they have small ornament kits, and then they've got these bigger ones. So yeah, once again, sorry I'm getting this out here so late, but it's just a reminder, and I really hope that those of you out there that want to join us will do so, because it's going to be fun. Okay, I will see you at the beginning of the year. Bye for now.